Welcome to the beautiful Charlotte area. I want to take a moment. I want to go over your inspection report, so stay with me. Okay, so all set. Let's take a look at your report. This is a typical report here. This is where your name and address information would be. Upper right-hand corner is the legend. Each one of these initials pertain to something. A is consistent with the age of the chimney. B, see comments below. C, repairs needed. D, need further evaluation, or E, not applicable. Placed into the boxes next to the parts of the chimney that can be easily identified in this diagram. And then, of course, we would put your comments right here below. All right, let's play the intro and get right into your personal report. So stay with me. It was great to see you out at the house today. You sure live in a beautiful location, the Providence Estates here. This is great. Let's take a moment. Let's take a look at the top of your chimney. It's beautiful up here. The siding looks good. Flashing looks good. The chase top pan, great. Chimney cap is proper. It's got a screen around to keep the birds and the squirrels out. It is a wood-burning fireplace with glass doors. Glass doors can be removed, but you're going to still end up with the frame. That's part of the unit, and it is a UL listed unit, so you have to keep the pieces parts together. Working damper shown here in the open position. Some cracks in these panels in the back. These are 3 inches thick of refractory cement. We call them, in the profession, we call them patio blocks because they're about the right size, 12 by 12 inch blocks. But they are made with refractory cement, not regular cement. These are holding up okay for the age of the house, but you can hit some of these with some refractory cement. In your show notes, I put in there that Fireblock, which is a 3M product purchased at Home Depot or Lowe's, can easily seal up all these cracks and stuff. Are you unsafe without them filled up? Not at all. But it's just would be a smart thing to do if you have time to do that. Flue system, I didn't see anything. We scanned the entire flue, didn't see any problems. All of these flue joints are correct, and I didn't see any problems with that. I'd certainly give your fireplace an overall great grade, and you should sweep it every couple years or so. Call me or call your buddy James Owens. Just kidding. And have him come out and sweep it every couple years. So, any questions, give me a call, 704-526-6348. Email me at chris@affordablesweep.com. Let's run the credits, shall we?